Hindi, ibenta niyo sa akin to. Kunwari, binibenta niyo etong bahay
Go,
sa
Ashley.
as a broker. As a real estate broker.
Hey, this is furnished by IKEA po yung whole
Ito
house.
na, siya na.
Yes?
siya na.
Okay.
So, ikaw na mag-ano, Charlie.
Ikaw na,
Charlie,
as your
go.
future duo.
Ako lang po pala yung walang duo ngayon.
Ah.
So tayo po yung magka-pair after this, di ba kuya?
Totoo
Saan yung
ba?
camera? Diba,
We don't
kuya?
know.
We don't know actually. Pero ito yung plancha, we just got this today.
Yes.
Not sponsored.
Parang medyo amoy sunog. Sino ang nagplansya today, ha? Medyo.
Sila.
Next, can I see
This
your...
is the table.
Okay.
Actually, at first, dinagdagan kami kasi may dalawa kaming nakasama pero in the 1 week na wala sila.
Okay.
So we're all sitting here round and round and round.
Okay.
And then this is the
Living.
living room. As you can see, it's a green. It's very cozy, very comfy. Muntik na kami matulog, saka ma-buzzer. And fun fact, yung buzzer pala, it's very, ganun
Yeah,
siya.
you'll hear it.
Yeah.
Scary.
Fudgy bar, snack bar, take anything.
As you can see, makapuno yung naubos agad.
Oo nga.
My favorites na din kami.
Makapuno.
Yeah.
Pero refill to like
Every day.
every
And
day.
also we have Dunkin'. Pero
Dunkin'.
parang 2 days na wala pang refill.
Okay.
So this is our company call kami dito. Dalawang CR. Bakit ako? Binibenta ko pa ba?
Nescafe hot.
We have a Nescafe.
Ay, pasabog! Yes!
Wala na Dunkin'.
Di ba ang galing? This is what I'm talking about! Precious, yes! Yes, mom!
Refill
This
of
is it.
Dunkin'. And then our mga
Okay.
Oishi chips also.
Bedroom.
Patingin bedroom.
Walang bathroom,
Okay.
walang lock.
This is the pretty
So
thing. the
always
picture,
vacant.
Everything
We
else.
have ano lang na pag
Tanggal lang ng slippers
whenever
na yun.
yes.
Okay.
Alcohol.
Okay. Ang
Lock pa rin, may lock pa rin.
You're 16?
Who told you?
I'm guessing. You're guessing. 16. 23. Wow!
Bed sa pinakadulo.
Your bed is right beside mine! You're the pinakadulo! I've been
Pasabog,
waking up
yes!
to no one. So you
Oh,
are
ngayon
here.
nakamakita mo every
Oo.
morning. Good morning!
So this is you, and then your stuff can be
I like
put, mga makeup, whatever.
Okay.
This is yours. I'm right here.
Okay.
We all share that plancha.
Cute.
There's Palmolive na in the CR.
Okay.
And then your space is also beside mine sa
Okay.
closet.
Okay.
So when your stuff gets here, you can put it all in
So,
there.
sino-sino ang mga here designated here?
Ate Klang,
Then si
AZ,
Ashley, Kira.
Charlie, me,
Charlie
and then
din.
you.
Tapos kayo lang nag-assign?
Wala lang, when we
Kayo?
first got here, yeah,
Ganun,
we just
ganun
went
lang.
on our bed na.
Kasi nakita ko, hala cute. Bite size. So sabi ko, tabi kami. Ayan na.
Yeah.
Cute!
Welcome, baby.
Welcome to the house! You'll get used to things like shower call and breakfast and stuff
The opening up.
by
the
tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll get into it. Yes.
Madami pa akong tanong later. I'm sure it'll all, sunod-sunod lang yan, yes.
And this is our alcohol.
Okay. Ang dami.
Yes, we start here.
Ito pa lang kayo.
Start there. And then we keep
Ang
going.
responsible ha, isa-isa lang
Yes!
kayo ha. Responsible.
Ours.
Muslim here, ito yung mga college.
Yeah. Ay, talagang ganun lang to.
Ang cute. Okay.
Ito pang merienda to, sa mga smoothie.
Tapos you mix this with like ice.
Yeah,
Ganun.
yeah, nagmamelt siya sa ice. Pero hot water muna para mag-dissolve.
Okay.
Or anything else.
Okay. Parang
Yes.
Pero kami, para sa amin, kumunti na kami.
talaga.
We're very happy na nadadagdagan tayo. Like sabi niya, sobrang dami daw natin. Sabi,
Pero we were expecting you. We were like, kapamilyang babae talaga yung need.
Bakit?
Kasi may vacant na left eh. Kami lang yung may vacant na bed eh. The boys are complete.
Complete pa sila. Ilan ba ang boys?
No, kasi naging kaduwa ko sa Ate Ivana, guest housemate pala siya. I thought parang part siya ng kapamilya. So, yun.
Well, I'm here now. We can all be sisters.
Yeah!
Right, Mom?
Ganun ako.
Ako, isinunggat fantasy.
Ate, yung goal natin makabuzz ka.
Ay, wag naman, wag! Wag!
Bakla, dapat yan mo.
Nakaka-buzz.
Dapat i-leader, dapat talunin mo ako sa buzz ko.
Sinong
So
number
far,
one?
nakasama na 8.
Dapat top
11 buzzes.
So, top 1 siya.
Tapon na ako ngayon.
Sino top 2?
Ako.
Ika.
Feeling ko ako ate.
Oh, third.
Tapos si Michael ate. Tapos si Michael, tapos kayo po ate feeling ko. Daming
Top
daming
buzzer.
buzzer eh. Oo.
Tatlo talaga yun. Tatlo talaga.
Oo.
Oo nga daw.
Hindi nga, naka-in character ako kanina. Hindi naman ako.
Hindi ka untay ka sa in-car.
Yeah, for sure ako may maraming mga sagay boys.
We have also
Kailan na ako?
group assignments for cleaning, so we'll figure
Sa
that
last
out.
week.
So that we're, ayun, sa last week.
Which is today yun. Today yun.
Okay.
So,
Last na nung
next,
Yeah.
next Friday.
More interesting din.
Pero, fire.
Ano ba to? Kanina to?
Fire! Yeah, say that.
Kaya...
Chill lang to. You'll have a good time.
Yeah.
It's nice to see
Nice
you.
to see you.
First time kita nag-meet eh, no?
Oo. Ilan taon ka na?
33. Ayun na LTF.
No way. No way. Yes.
Siguro ito na yung time.
Bagets!
Parang ang sarap mag-mango float talaga today.
Yeah.
Like, sobrang sarap mag-mango float bukas after a tiring day of solo work.
Kanina pa.
I guess I deserve a mango float.
So ngayon lang din nagkagulatan kayo sa kanya.
I guess I deserve a mango float.
Yeah, you should ask Kuya talaga.
Sorry, wala kami na.
Late na.
Huwag no. Hindi, dapat yung check. Mas madali daw i-defrost yung giniling.
So, Junior Master Chef! Junior!
Yes!
Marunong na magluto si Bianca. Masarap yun magluto.
Sample! Sa next few days, sino ba nakatoka sa pamilya?
Anyone.
Tulungan kita. I'll help you.
Actually kami.
Kahit tayo magkakasama.
Sige. Tulong-tulong na lang tayo.
Ano specialty mo?
Tingnan natin kung ano magugustuhan niyo.
So yun yung magiging specialty mo?
Fudgy bar.
Fudgy bar.
Nagluluto ka ba na nilagang fudgy bar?
Let's try.
Yes.
Housemates,
Naku, na-pressure si Dustin.
Kuya?
kunin ang mango float.
Ang taas niyo na naman.
In-expect ko naman eh.
Okay ka. At least. Na-observe ko nga kayo.
Bukas, okay naman. I'll give you a talk.
Good din na ganun ginawa mo. Kasi okay. Natural lang.
Sorry.
Natural lang.